like Batman J, then you're influencer. You can't influence nobody.
Because of the hype thing and the bossy thing and the red eye and bad mind thing, the whole place get messed up. From the politician, them come right down. The whole thing corrupt. Yeah, greetings and welcome again, Hopeful and Mighty. Blessed new day, my viewers and subscribers. We're talking about the social media effect that is going on in Jamaica. How it is changing the traditional way of living on the island. What based upon my observation and research, what I'm seeing, I'm going to express myself in this video. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, leave a like, and leave your comments, leave your thoughts in the comments. Let's dive into it. Where I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, and this little island, when I was growing up, based upon my generation growing up, what I saw, how I was living, how much we were more socializing with each other and outside, and we weren't doing things to please each other or to impress each other basically when we were growing up. You know what I mean? We are doing moments when we do things out of ourselves, but basically we were more traditional living, more together, more socializing. You know what I mean? And all that has changed over time. All that has changed over time, basically, from the last 10, 15 years. Jamaica has changed based upon the youth them, or the youth them carry themselves and act and think, and the whole concept, the whole dynamic has changed basically. Social media influence gets so broad and so influential for many youths, many young men and many young females, that they're doing things out of themselves to get attention and to earn money basically. Yeah, all who want change up them image, look like people, all who want wear clothes with trend like people, and all these things because of the social media effect. Last 10 to 15 years, it has changed the generational mindset in Jamaica and the island. The things them what the youth them and the female them of here do now is unbelievable. Because back then a certain time, with the, you know, Jamaican people, they have shame. We have shame. Certain levity we no condole. We no oppose certain levity. You have to live upright. When I say funny movements and funny things, they what did go on, but them things they have to stay upon the back door. In the dark can't come to your light, no time. But now this time, everything in the light now. All I would you think this straight, lean. You know what I mean? Lean like a line. Yeah? Lean. Them can't straight. You know what I mean? And many of youth them I get misguided based upon who them are watch and who them are follow. Them I get misguided by information, and whole heap of misguidance are going from them people where youth them I look up to and I follow. That's why you kinda change up the mindset of the youth them, even the parents them. One time parents the mindset is different, but now parents mindset change. One time youth couldn't do certain things. Now the parents them allow the youth them to do it. And where you think all of this come from? Social media. Back in the 80s and 70s, I wasn't even around them time. But you know, documentation is there. Documentation is there from them time there. Video recording is there from them time there. When you look and see how the people live, them time there. You have to meditate on yourself and yourself. Look on the joy when people go to a party, just the whole social connection and the bond between people and the island was different in the 80s. Well, in the 80s, 70s was totally different. Early 90s, you think yeah, they still a linger, but after the 2000, the whole ball game changed generationally. The whole ball game changed. The youth, their mindset changed. The whole thing changed. The whole traditional living on the island changed. People now following the history again now, going harder again, be a different culture them harder upon the youth them. As I say, the parent them, the effect upon the parent them, and the youth them are growing another effect them. Enough want fast life and pretty life and overseas life, and now remember the cultural levity on the island, the traditional way on the island. the whole internet thing and social media thing and mash up the youth their meditation because them not no great knowledge and understanding to a thing. They want to be people, they want to live like them, want to do all them things, and that is the wrong mindset. Enough of them are adapt. That's why enough of them are lose them way. That me see I go on the island, that me see I go on in our generation now. Younger youth, them mindset must stable. Just like the internet connection. If you don't have stable connection and the Wi-Fi, the connection will go poor. And the same thing with the youth, them mindset. Them connection and them mind poor, them not stable. Them can't think properly. And what them see them believe and what people are telling them believe, them can't see out things for themselves and know things for themselves. Them no research, them no is what them give to them accept basically. What them give to them accept. Parents them not really be parents, them just breed up in the place and have the youth them wild and loose. The youth them not get no guidance from them mother and from them father. Them not get that. You just be probably mother, probably father do the work, them unbalanced. So as me I say, generation lacking many things, many teaching, many traditional teaching, them lacking. Youth them not go outside for play, them not socialize. A more phone thing, a more competition thing, and just pure confusion and go on in the generation, and the now generation and the island right now. You see me I say? Only now realize them thing there. One time Jamaica did nice and everybody togetherness they dead there, you know. But because of the hype thing and the bossy thing and the red eye and bad mind thing, the whole place get messed up. From the politician, them come right down. The whole thing corrupt. You see me I say? So you have to know them thing and that man I see I go on the island right now, the youth them and the parents. Well the parents them, all the elderly people them, and enough of elders them a lose them way too. Enough of elders them last, them not teach youth them nothing, them a compete against youth, them and bring down the youth them not guide them. That's why enough of things them get mixed up and in pieces like puzzle, because elders them not do them work. Them want to live like them want young youth and I know say them young days over. And the knowledge from life from then, them fear implementing a youth them mind now. Based upon parenting or just being that role model in the community. Or what over the place. You know what I mean? Them not do that. So the youth them mindset and influence and all them things they're all over the place. The youth them don't know what to do. Them just do what them say on the phone or in the media. Our people are tell them. Their life is not life, man. The youth them forget forward on themselves. Female them forget forward on themselves. Need to get back on themselves, get back on traditional living. Yeah? Because Jamaica do so we bring the vibe, we bring the art, we full of style, we full of everything. Jamaican people just talented in many different ways. And you have to proud to be a Jamaican. And the whole world love Jamaica. And we up on the island and move like we are bait. You see me I say? We not guide the youth them and make the youth them live up to that name what Jamaica have. We make the youth them lose themselves and red eye and bad mind and kill off them one another. And that will make youth them do. Should make youth them proud of themselves to be a Jamaican. Nah, give youth them kind of vibration and make people hate the country and want to run away and left. That we don't want to see. You know what I mean? So that I go on, you know, the social media thing, the internet thing, mash up for your parents' mind and damage the youth their mindset too. Yeah, and we never go too far in it, so I keep it right so. And if you like this type of content, like, subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment. You know what I mean? We might do a part 2 for you. Hopefully I might have a blessed new day. Yes.